Imagine standing at a parade that never, ever stops. Balloons, floats, and marching bands rush past you once, then vanish forever. Your job? Count them, spot the most common color, and remember it all. But you have one tiny notebook and blink-fast traffic. How could you possibly keep up? So what is a stream? It is data that arrives one piece at a time in order and flies by only once. Think of a river of numbers pouring past. You see each drop for a heartbeat, then it is gone downstream. You cannot rewind and you cannot hold the whole river. Now, why not just save every drop and count later? Because the river is gigantic. Billions of clicks, messages, and sensor pings arrive every second. Storing all of it would need warehouses of memory. Remember the tiny notebook. Real computers face the same squeeze, so they need a smarter trick. Here is the big idea. Instead of a perfect answer, we accept a very close guess. In return, we use almost no memory. A number that is 99% right, using a thimble of space, beats a perfect number we can never actually store. Streaming algorithms trade tiny errors for enormous savings. Let us start with the simplest job, counting. How many balloons floated past all day? Remember, we cannot store each one. We just want the total. Even a plain counter ticking up by one is a baby streaming algorithm. But what if even that counter gets too big to hold? So those balloons keep coming, millions of them. A clever trick called approximate counting does not add one every time. It flips a coin and only sometimes ticks up, storing a rough level instead of the exact number. It might say about 1 million, using just a handful of digits. Now a harder question. Not how many balloons total, but how many different colors appeared. Duplicates should not count twice. Storing every color you have ever seen is expensive again. So we need a way to sense variety in the stream without keeping a giant list of everything. Meet hyperlog. It hashes each item into a scramble of bits, then watches for a rare pattern, like a long streak of leading zeros. Long streaks are lucky and rare. The luckiest streak you have seen hints at how many different items passed by. From one lucky number, it guesses millions of uniques. Remember our color question. People also ask, which item is trending right now? The single most frequent balloon in a flood we cannot store. Keeping a tally for every possible item is far too much memory. We need a tiny scoreboard that still spots the true heavy hitters. The CountMin sketch is a small grid of counters. Each item is hashed into a few cells, bumping them up. To check an item, you read its cells and take the smallest one. Collisions can only inflate counts, so the smallest read is your safest, closest guess of how often it appeared. But trends change fast, so streams often use a sliding window. Only the most recent slice matters, and old data quietly expires. Picture a moving spotlight on the parade. Whatever leaves the light is forgotten, keeping our answers fresh, light, and always about what is happening right now. Another trick is sampling. Instead of every item, we keep a small, fair handful that represents the whole stream. Reservoir sampling makes sure each item, early or late, has an equal chance to stay. From that little sample, we can estimate averages and patterns for the entire river. So where do these tricks live? Everywhere. They power trending videos, spam filters, live dashboards, network alarms, and typo suggestions. Every time an app handles a fire hose of data instantly, a streaming algorithm is quietly guessing smart answers in the background, using barely any memory at all. Zoom out and the pattern is beautiful. See each item only once. Use a sip of memory. Accept a small, honest error. In exchange, answer impossible questions about endless data in real time. That is the streaming superpower, turning an overwhelming flood into a calm, confident estimate. Let us recap. A stream flies by once and is too big to store, so we estimate instead of storing everything. We counted with coin flips, found uniques with lucky bits, spotted heavy hitters with a tiny grid, and kept fair samples. Little memory, clever math, and answers that keep up with anything.